Hello, today I'm very excited to review this Grabie sample provided by Grabie, and they are 28 acrylic markers with fine tip. It also comes with the pad, the drawing pad. This is how it looks, and inside is just plain paper for you to draw and let your imagination. Okay, so the markers, you can use it on glass, ceramic, acrylic, wood, paper, stone, fabric, metal, and rubber, and a lot more things. So for example, let me grab this one. Let me demonstrate it here. I'm going to, you see it's white, so I'm going to push it down to get the ink. And once I get the ink, I can draw. In this case, I'm making an X. So that's what you do. And they are water-based. The ink is water-based. They quick dry. They are non-toxic, and they are UV resistant. They have so many colors, and they are great for a gift or just for paint lovers or whoever wants to use it, creating, making art. They're perfect. Thank you for watching my video.